Much anticipated Supreme Court decision on Obamacare affects nearly every American.
It does, and it is the third time the justices have sided with the Affordable Care Act. Tonight, we're digging deeper to find out what that means for all of us. In what many thought would be a close decision, it wasn't. The U.S. Supreme Court voted 7-2 to uphold the Affordable Care Act.
It also demonstrates that when there is clear law, we have a court that, regardless of who appoints them, will follow the law.
The challenge by the former Trump administration and a number of Republican-led states came to the court in the middle of the pandemic, threatening the loss of health insurance for millions of Americans. Now, whether you live in Dunn, Clayton, Sanford, Raleigh, Durham, Fayetteville, or anywhere else and have a pre-existing condition, you don't have to worry about being able to get health insurance.
It's a win for the more than 130 million Americans with pre-existing conditions who now continue to have the security and peace of mind of knowing that they won't ever be locked out of health insurance. It's a tremendous victory for the more than 31 million people who today get their health insurance through the Affordable Care Act. Another popular part of the ACA is that young adults can stay on their parents' plan. That, too, remains in place. It's a win for kids up to age 26 who are staying on their parents' plan, and for everybody with commercial insurance who's benefiting from consumer protections and better access to preventive services. But there is plenty of work that still needs to be done, including what most Americans stand behind, getting the high cost of prescriptions under control. Wake County Representative Debra Ross says that is a priority.
We can get about the business of doing all the things to fill in the healthcare gaps in this country. And we've seen that even more during COVID-19, and we're ready to do the work.
So one of the other big things that they're now talking about, too, is possibly lowering the age for Medicare. You know, right now it's 65.
Right.
There's discussions, and there's serious discussions, to possibly lower it down to 60 so that those folks who do retire before they're 65 have some method of getting insurance that's not going to blow the bank.
That would impact a lot
of people. But I'm sure there'll be a lot of debate with that, too.
Yeah, absolutely.